Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sabira Hanis Ramadhani. I'm from class F, program studi elementary school teacher, Faculty of Science Education, State University of Jakarta 2017. I would like to present presentation of my lesson plan, micro teaching and game simulation. Let's get started. Now, I will explain my lesson plan. My lesson plan, Education Unit SDN Jaka Sampurna 7, Grade 4, Semester 2, Dem Transportation, Subdem, Water Transportation, Learning 2, Method Contextual Teaching Learning, Time Allocation 2 kali 45 menit. For a purpose, 1. Given the picture, student can distinguish sheep based on their function correctly. 2. Learn to the text title. Development of sheep. Student can correctly mention the type of sheep based on the time their development. 3. By looking at the picture, student can reveal information about water transportation based on their experience by paying attention to the correct pronunciation and intonation. Next, learning activities. Research activities. 1. Teacher give greetings. Example, say hello. 2. Singing a song, Satu Nusa Satu Bangsa. 3. Class followed by prayer led by one of his students and hacking the presence and of learners. 4. Physically and psychological prepare learners to start learning activities. 5. A perception as student basic knowledge to material that will be taught. 6. Teacher explain the learning objective and subject material that will be studied. Next, 4. Essence activities. 1. Teacher organize student into a couple of groups. 2. Teacher show a video about water transportation and student listen to the topics. 3. Question and answer session between teacher and student about that video. 4. Teacher explain the history of ship development. Water transportation starting for definition, types of water transportation and example. 5. Teacher showing the picture of the ship to each group of students and asking them to difference the ship by its function. Next, student open the book in the page of 95. There's a text about history of the ship development. 7. Student read the materials and teacher asks each one of them who can explain the type of ship according to its development. 8. Student open the next page of the book and they can find the example of water transportation. 9. Teacher asks the student to describe the water transportation they have used based on their own experience. 10. Student and teacher use the learning while playing method. Ask them to learn about water transportation and its characteristic. Make a match. 11. Teacher give LKPD to each group of students. 12. Teachers observe the student activities, motivates and facilitates the student cooperation. 13. Teacher asks students about their impression on today's learning and asks them the material that difficult to understand. Next, closing activities. 1. Teacher and student conclude today's learning activities. 2. Teacher and student sing together about water transportation again. 3. The teacher give homework individually. 4. Deliver lesson plan at the next learns. 5. Class activities and with a prayer in accordance with religions and belief, each led by one of student officer on duty. And for assessment, the last one, attitude assessment. Look from observation during a class. There is many aspects as discipline, confidence, creative, and teamwork. 2. Knowledge assessment. Look from, tell the type of water transportation based on the experience he has ever been on. There is many aspects as understanding and matching. Third, assessment skill. Look from, create a ship using cardboard. There is many aspects as organize, neatness, and accuracy. Morning, student. How are you today? Yes, fine and good. Oke, Miss akan cek kehadiran hari ini. Siapa yang tidak sekolah hari ini? Alhamdulillah ya, kalau pada masuk, rajin-rajin anak Miss. Oke? Nah, before we study, let's pray together for begin. Nah, Miss minta Tama untuk maju ke depan, pimpin doa sebelum kita belajar. Oke, Tama, ayo maju. Dan doa. Amin. Terima kasih, Tama. Silakan duduk kembali. Oke. Today, we will learn about water transportation, starting for definition, types based on their function, and example. Oke, sekarang Ibu minta kalian duduk berkelompok, mejanya diatur. Satu kelompok terdiri dari 5-6 anggota. Yang tertib, oke? Oke. Sudah? Bagus. Kalau sudah. Oke, now we will watch a video about water transportation. Read it? Yes.
I use wind to guide myself and reach destinations.
Wow, that's so cool.
Kapal layar. And kapal pesiar.
Hi, you look nice.
You
Who
look
are you?
nice.
I am a yacht.
Yacht.
People can travel inside me. They can also live inside me for days, as I'm very comfortable. That sounds great.
So cute.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Don't be scared. I am a ship.
Ship.
I carry not only people over long distances on water, but also carry goods. I am huge and can carry very... Now this one's gonna be interesting.
There is submarines. Kapal selam.
I am a submarine.
Good.
I
Next.
travel underwater and cannot be obliged to travel. It's fun learning.
Finish. Now, Miss explain definition. Water transportation. Water transportation is a mobile transport that could carrying a passengers or other physical object through the water as their travel route. Oke? Nah, sekarang Miss punya gambar nih. Miss punya gambar jenis-jenis kapal berdasarkan fungsinya. Siapa yang bisa membedakan? Yang tahu angkat tangannya ya. Oke. Tahu anak-anak yang ini pertama apa? Yes, that's good. Cruise ship. Ini adalah kapal pesiar. Biasanya dia berlayar selama 3 bulan atau 2 bulan mengarungi samudra, mengarungi laut. Misalnya ini ada dari Singapura ke Thailand atau Singapura ke Batam, seperti itu. Oke, next. Rescue boat. Ini adalah kapal perahu penyelamat. Biasanya ini yang dinamakan skoci. Ada di kapal-kapal laut besar, dia ada di pinggir-pinggiran gitu kalau buat kapal tersebut tenggelam. Oke. Next. Yes, this raft. Rakit. Rakit biasanya ada di... Iya betul. Biasanya ini buat menyeberangi sungai, river. Untuk ini di zaman dahulu, sekarang sih masih ada yang bisa tahu. Oke. Next. This is submarine. Yes, kapal selam. Betul ya. Lanjut, next. This is motorcycle boat. Perahu motor. Ini digunakan pakai mesin. Biasanya kalau ini buat ke pulau-pulau kecil gitu. Oke. Dan yang terakhir, canoe. Canoe berfungsi biasanya buat memancing di pinggir-pinggiran laut gitu ya. Sekarang kita buka bukunya, buku temanya halaman 95. Buka ya, buka dulu. Ayo kita buka. History of ship development. The first shipping company in Indonesia was established by Netherlands Conference in 1890. The first ship was made by human is canoe. Jadi perahu pertama kali adalah kano, itu di tahun 1890. Nah, canoe is known to be first ship in history with a simple shape. Historic human used the tree branch to make a canoe. Using canoe still limit only cross the river of life. Lanjut, next. Since the prehistoric age until now, water transportation have development in very culture or civilization of a nation. There is explanation about development of ship. In Mesir civilization, there is a ship could carry to 20 passengers. Nah, dari yang sudah kita baca halaman kali 95, ada yang bisa menjelaskan secara singkat? Yang tahu angkat tangannya. Oke, silakan. Raffi. Yes, good. You're right. Benar ya teman-teman, beri tepuk tangan untuk Raffi. Yeay. Nah, sekarang ibu tanya ya. Dari nih, ibu masih buka ini nih, apa buku. Dari yang telah kita baca, pada abad ke-20 jenis kapal apa yang ada pada era abad ke-20? Yang tahu angkat tangannya. Iya, Rika. Betul, kapal pesiar. That's good. Lanjut ke halaman berikutnya. Oke. Di situ terdapat contoh jenis transportasi air. Sekarang siapa yang tahu apa saja contoh water transportation in the book? Oh, angkat tangannya. Ya, Sarah. Ya, betul. You're right. Ada submarines, ada sailing boat, ada canoe, ada raft, ada cruise ship, and ada motorcycle boat. Sekarang ibu minta sama kalian, siapa yang berani maju ke depan untuk menceritakan pengalamannya yang dalam menaiki yang pernah kalian naiki pada transportasi jenis air. Oke, atau selama liburan atau pas kalian pulang kampung juga boleh. Yang berani angkat tangannya ya, ceritain pengalamannya. Oke, Tama silakan ke depan. Perhatikan ya teman-teman, dengarkan cerita Tama. Wah, cerita Tama bagus ya teman-teman. Kita beri tepuk tangan. Yeay. Jadi Tama tadi bercerita dia pernah naik canoe, dia pernah naik cruise ship. Betul begitu Tama? Yes. Betul. Oke, terima kasih Tama. Silakan duduk kembali. Ya, sekarang ibu berikan lembar kerja peserta didik kepada masing-masing kelompok. Nah, ini nanti ibu berikan contohnya. Kalian buat sekreatif mungkin bersama teman-teman kelompoknya. Nah, nanti untuk bahan dan alat sudah ibu sediakan di meja kalian ya. Dipergunakan dengan hati-hati. Ibu berikan waktu pengerjaan selama 15 menit. Nah, jika tidak selesai, maka boleh kalian bawa pulang ke rumah untuk dikerjakan bersama teman-temannya. Nah, ini ibu kasih contohnya untuk kalian buat sekreatif mungkin. Oke, maaf ini copot sedikit. Punya ibu sudah. Nah, kalian buat make a boat, create a ship using cardboard. Jadi ini perahu dari kardus. Kalian buat sekreatif mungkin lebih dari ibu ya, karena nih ibu hanya perahu yang biasa. Kalian bisa hias pakai krayon atau karton atau kertas origami. Oke. Dikerjakan dari sekarang. Apakah sudah selesai? Oke. Group 1, are you finished? No. Okay. Group 2, are you finished? Okay, no. Nah, baiklah, jika tidak ada yang belum selesai dan karena waktunya sudah tidak cukup, kita buat PR saja ya. Oke, homeworknya. Dan dari materi hari ini, apa yang telah kita pelajari, ada yang tidak dimengerti? Baiklah, kalau pada ngerti semua, sekarang ibu akan tanya kepada kalian, oke? Materi yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini, ada yang masih ingat dan bisa kasih kesimpulan? Yes, Ani please. Good, Ani, right. Oke, kata Ani, teman-teman, water transportation is mobile transport called carrying a passenger or other physical object through the water as their travel route. Person whose job is driving the ship called a captain. There are type of ship carrying its function, such as passenger ship, cargo ship, tankers, submarine, fishing boat, sailing ship, and rescue boat. And one was canoe. Yes. Untuk kita semakin memahami tentang transportasi air sebelum kita pulang, kita akan bernyanyi bersama-sama dulu ya. Di kapal layar ya kan? Cepetin ya. Oke. Bentar. Wait. Nah, kan tadi kita sudah menonton video tentang transportation untuk pemahaman lebih dalam kita terhadap tentang water transportation. Sekarang Miss ingin mengingatkan lagi untuk tugas di rumah, LKPD-nya dilanjutkan ya, yang tadi belum selesai bekerjakan bersama teman-temannya. Oke? Yes. Okay. For the next lesson we will discuss our transportation. Okay, please read first at home. Okay? Yes. Before we go home, let's next for games. Games for this adalah make a match, yaitu tentang example of water transportation and its characteristic. In these games, student asks to find the characteristic and example of water transportation and put in on the right answer. And now Miss will read the purpose and rules, and Miss beri waktu 5 menit untuk mencocokkannya. Make a match kan, mencocokkan. Okay? 1. Preparation stage. Teacher divide the student into 3 groups. One group is one that brings the card about big water transportation. Jadi grup 1 itu dia membawa contoh, misalkan ini nih, nanti Miss kasih tahu ininya nih, apa sih medianya, misalkan raft gitu kan, example raft. Terus second group is bring the card about characteristic and example of water transportation. Nah, kelompok 2-nya itu memegang mencari ininya nih, kecocokan dari si Ralph ini, Ralph ini karakteristiknya dicocokkan apa yang berhubungan dengan Ralph, misalkan terbuat dari bambu. Oke, seperti itu. And third group work as judge. They give score to the group 1 and group 2. Arrange group position letter push shapes and make the one group sit in front of two groups they facing each other. Jadi bentuknya letter U, grup 1 dan grup 2, grup 3-nya itu sebagai juri. Oke. Lanjut. Delivery step. When all group already sitting on their position, their teacher blow a whistle as signs to the ones and group to move find their group partner according to pick and answer clue on card. Teacher will give time to discussion will be done to group that answer on the card. 3 appearance of results. The judge group will decide whether the question and answer match. If a match, the will explain about water transportation. They will have right based on their own experience in front of their friends. Oke, jadi jika sudah cocok, maka kelompok 2 yang tadi mencari cocokan dengan karakteristiknya itu akan menceritakan. Oke, sekarang Miss bagikan untuk kelompok 1 dan kelompok 2 dan kelompok 3 disiapkan. Ya, pokoknya semuanya siapin tempatnya, duduknya masing-masing yang sudah Miss katakan tadi sesuai dengan rules-nya. Oke. Nih, sekarang Miss bagikan ya. Yang tadi kan kelompok 1 dipegang gambarnya. Kelompok 1 dan kelompok 1 megang karakteristiknya dan gambarnya. Kelompok 2 untuk mencarikan dan mencocokkan pasangannya. Oke. Nih, Miss bagikan. Oke, sebentar. Oke. Udah siap kelompok 3 jadi juri? Sip. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Yeay. Go, 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 go. Kelompok 2, group 2. Go, 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 group 2. Yeay. Waktunya tinggal sedikit lagi ya, grup 2. Yeay, ayo hurry up, come on. Oke? Finish? Sekarang tugasnya kelompok 3 untuk memeriksa jawaban kelompok 2. Oke? Apakah betul kelompok 3? Oke? Jika betul, jika benar, oke, sekarang Miss akan periksa ya. Oke. Nih jawaban kelompok 2, oke, grup 2. Di sini ada Ralph. Oke. Ralph made a bamboo. Yes, true. Okay, of course. Transportation crossing people on the river. Membantu transportasi untuk penyeberangan orang melalui sungai. Oke, betul? Yes. This is Ralph. Yes, true. Need a human power to move it. Membutuhkan tenaga orang untuk memindahkan perahu rakit ini. Oke? Yes. Next. This is cruise ship. True? Yes. Many tourists. Betul. Recreation. Yes, true. Luxury facility inside the ship. Yes, true. Benar ya, kalau group 2. Hebat. Next, this is a canoe. Yes, can be moved with a pedal. Yes, true. Transportation to catch fish. Ya, betul. Canoe is untuk menangkap ikan. Oke? Betul teman-teman? Ya. Made of wood. Ya, terbuat dari kayu. Benar teman-teman, kelompok 2. Aduh, mencong-mencongnya grup 2. Beri tepuk tangan untuk kelompok 2. Yeay. Group 2 hebat. Good. You're excellent. And sampai di sini finish ya game kita. Dilakukan untuk sekali permainan, karena membutuhkan waktu yang banyak, maka Miss akan ulangi di materi selanjutnya. Iya, betul. Oke. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah.